If you are too overwhelmed to stop and watch this video is for you. We're approaching a very busy time of the year. It's the festive season, and even if you're watching this at another time of year and you're feeling overwhelmed, please don't click stop. Just save this video, bookmark it, and next time you're in the toilet, spend a couple of minutes watching it to de-stress so that you can focus on what needs to be done in a joyful, easy and effortless manner. So in this video, I'm going to do a few minutes of tapping with you, EFT, emotional freedom techniques, to help you release overwhelm, stress, anxiety and worry about the upcoming period of overwhelm, busyness, getting ready for the festive season so that you can enjoy it, feel prepared, and when it comes to the end of the year, you can relax and enjoy all the festivities or whatever you've got planned. So if you don't know what EFT is, it is like acupuncture for the emotions without the use of needles. So it releases all the stress. It has a calming effect on the amygdala in the brain, which helps you to release some of that adrenaline that is whizzing around when we feel so overwhelmed with too much to do, not sleeping well, the to-do list spinning around in our head. So if you haven't done this before, the invitation is to do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So first of all, rate your level of overwhelm or stress or anxiety right now on a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 is feeling calm, light and peaceful, and 10 is feeling as overwhelmed as is possible. Notice where you feel that stress or overwhelm in your body. Is it like a tightness in your shoulder? Is it headache? Is it like butterflies in your tummy? Just notice what the sensation is and where you feel it. And let's start tapping. Either side, either hand, even both hands is good. So even though I'm feeling all of this stress, all of this overwhelm about the upcoming festive season or whatever you've got planned, maybe it's going back to school, maybe it's preparing for something else, maybe it's just life in general. And that never-ending to-do list is keeping me up at night. And I wake up exhausted. And my children are constantly pressing my buttons. And I acknowledge that this is what's here right now. And I soothe and comfort myself. Even though I'm all feeling all of this stress in my body, and just notice, name it. Is it tension in your shoulders? Is it this headache that doesn't go away? And I acknowledge these sensations in my body. And I'm taking a deep breath of calm into those areas now. And take a lovely deep breath in. And even though I have so much to do and there's so little time left, and when I think about that, it makes me feel so overwhelmed and anxious, stressed and guilty because I should be coping. I should be doing better than this. At least that's what I'm telling myself. And I'm open to the possibility of bringing compassion into these moments and tapping through the points, top of the head, either hand, all of this overwhelm, all of this stress, all of this worry. How am I going to get it all done? There's just too much to do. Take a deep breath in now. So I'm noticing my feet on the ground right now. I'm noticing my body just as it is right now. And I'm open to the possibility of coming back into this present moment. Choosing to feel alive in this moment. Choosing to feel alive in every cell of my body right now, with whatever's going on around me. Maybe I can find that stillness in the eye of the hurricane. That moment of pause. I'm creating a moment of stillness for myself. And from that stillness comes clarity, more focus, more efficient productivity, getting more done. And that moment of stillness is bathing my productive moments with ease and calm and effortlessness and even joy. So put your hands in the center of your chest, your heart chakra. Say transform, take a deep breath. My invitation is to do this every time you go to the toilet. So do bookmark this video and do let me know how you get on. I'd love to hear in the comments. And if you've got any questions, then do let me know, because I'd love to support you in getting better results. In the meantime, have an absolutely wonderful day and a wonderful festive season, or whatever you're using this video to prepare for. Sending lots of love. Bye.